Apple's latest watchOS update, version 26, is bringing some exciting changes to the Apple Watch experience. But amidst the buzz around the new iPhone 17 and Apple Watch 11, there's a hidden gem that might just steal the show. 4 brand new watch faces. Apple's release notes reveal a nod to classic watch designs infused with their innovative liquid glass technology. The Exactograph watch face is a modern twist on traditional timekeeping, separating hours, minutes, and seconds for enhanced precision. It's a watch lover's dream come true. Then there's Flow, a dynamic watch face that uses liquid glass numerals to create a mesmerizing orb of color that dances with your wrist movements. It's like having a little piece of art on your wrist. For the adventurers out there, Waypoint is a live compass watch face, exclusively available on the Apple Watch Ultra. It shows your location in relation to saved spots on Apple Maps or points of interest, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. And for those with a taste for luxury, the Hermès Faubourg Party Watch Face brings animated characters to life, appearing based on the time of day or your movements. It's a unique and playful addition to the Apple Watch Hermès collection. But here's where it gets interesting. The Waypoint watch face is exclusive to the Apple Watch Ultra, while the Hermès Faubourg Party is only available on the Apple Watch Hermès. It's a clever way to differentiate the models and cater to different user preferences. In addition to these new faces, the Phonos watch face has also received a liquid glass makeover, giving it a fresh and modern look. All Apple Watch users who upgrade to watchOS 26 will get the Flow and Exactograph watch faces. This includes Apple Watches from Series 6 onwards, all 3 generations of the Apple Watch Ultra, and even the Apple Watch SE 2. The update is set to roll out on Monday, September 15th, so mark your calendars. Beta users have already had a taste of these new features, but for the rest of us, it's an exciting wait. And this is the part most people miss. watchOS 26 was initially announced at WWDC, so there's a whole host of other new features to explore. From the liquid glass design language to the AI-powered workout buddy and live translation, there's something for everyone. So what do you think? Are you excited to try out these new watch faces and explore the latest Apple Watch features? Let us know in the comments.